Thank you for joining us today for another installment of Frost & Sullivan's exciting podcast series, highlighting key disruptive technologies, growth opportunities, economic trends, new business models, industry convergence, emerging geographies, and much more. I am Vijay Wilfred, research analyst with the TechVision research team. We'll be talking in this podcast about the key findings from its recently published research on global benchmarking of sustainability trends in industrial sector. Over the past decade, the topic of sustainable development has gained importance across various sectors. The development of this topic has been driven by increasingly stringent regulations in different industry sectors, higher potentials for product diversification, and increased public awareness. Industrial sector plays an important role for achieving a green and sustainable economy. On a global scale, the industrial sector accounts for one-third of total greenhouse gas emissions, which is much more than residential, commercial, or transportation sectors. The sustainability strategy development of various companies in industrial segment has witnessed a shift towards the green economy concept, which is vastly influenced by the Sustainability Development Goals developed by the United Nations in 2012. The stakeholders in industrial segment adhere sustainability strategies and business models that enable a low carbon, resource efficient, and socially inclusive economy. Our research is focused on the profiling and benchmarking of various sustainability strategies developed and adopted by leading companies globally in the industrial sector. This research highlights overview of sustainability strategies and growth areas identified by the companies, impact on the business by moving towards a sustainable economy, key sustainability targets set by the companies and its focus areas of development, snapshot of the company's alignment towards United Nations Sustainability Development Goals. The rise in production and consumption as a result of population growth, urbanization, and industrialization has resulted in an increased demand for fresh water. Hence, a secure water supply is a top priority of companies in the industrial sector. In fact, the greatest demand of water intensifies its shortage and competition between the industrial sector and the social sector for the water resources. By the year 2050, it is expected that the world industrial water consumption will be increased by 400%. All these calculations and estimates merely reveal the urgent necessity for measures that increase efficiency in the consumption of water. The current situation in energy consumption within the industrial sector thus demands more reliable technologies to be developed. Such technologies must be focused on the improvement of industrial energy efficiency, adoption of renewable energy sources, and the reduction of associated carbon emissions. Thank you for listening to this quick snapshot on sustainability trends in the industrial sector. On that note, we hope you enjoyed this session. For further insights, please join us for future podcasts and become a member of Frost & Sullivan by emailing us at digital@frost.com. Thank you for your time.